Welcome to METT Barcelona GL, a leading hotel of the world, offering an extraordinary stay above the city. Perched on Tibidabo Hill, this five-star lifestyle hotel blends heritage with modern sophistication. It's a sanctuary where the Mediterranean meets the mountains, with over a century of history. Inside, 70 elegant rooms and suites await, designed for effortless comfort and laid-back luxury. Indulge in soft linens, BOTANYC amenities, and indulgent bathrooms with both a bathtub and shower. Some rooms open to private balconies, perfect for soaking in skyline views that stretch to the sea. Experience awe from panoramic terraces and gardens or heated pools overlooking the Barcelona skyline. Wellness finds its expression here, complemented by a spa, free Wi-Fi, and private parking. Enjoy 2 swimming pools, a bar, and delightful breakfast to start your unforgettable Barcelona escape.